Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're focusing on improving lower body endurance with 4 simple but highly effective exercises. These moves will help you build stronger legs, increase stamina, and perform better in everyday activities or sports. Let's jump right in. Exercise 1. Bodyweight squats. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting in chair, then push back up to standing. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. This exercise targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while building endurance. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 2. Reverse lunges. Step 1 foot back and lower your body until your front knee forms a 90-degree angle. Push back up and switch legs. Reverse lunges are great for balance and muscle endurance. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Exercise 3. Wall sit. Lean against a wall and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Hold this position while keeping your core tight. This isometric exercise builds serious endurance in your legs. Try holding for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat 3 times. Exercise 4. High knees. Stand tall and run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. Keep a quick pace and engage your core. This exercise boosts cardiovascular endurance while working your lower body. Go for 30 seconds and repeat for 3 rounds. Stay consistent and perform this routine 3 to 4 times a week to see real results. Don't forget to warm up before starting and stretch afterward. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a workout. Keep pushing, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.